Hello guys, Andrew is here again. Some while ago I started a brand new account. For those who followed me, you know I started this 1st June. A brand new account with zero feedback, zero sold items, zero listings on the 1st June. Now is the July 26th. Let me pull down the date for you. Open date, time preferences. Can see July 26th and 8 p.m. on the west coast here. So I just want to give you some updates how it has been going in 2 months. For those who just started out dropshipping, you will gonna see some results. I will bring you inside my account. We're gonna click here. And so also, yes, I just want to make some warning here with the word of caution, because some parts of the screen will be covered just because there is sensitive information. I want to keep that private, but you are going to see a lot of good things. So normally what I will going to do is I will bring you inside my account by clicking here. And now we are inside the account. So what you can see here is I got 26 sales today, July 26, which is pretty good, considering that this is a brand new account, because, well, from June 1st, it's a brand new account. I have been selling quite successfully. What I can show you is on the left side here. I will cover the screen and show you here on the left side. You can see what you can see here is I got totally listed 36 items, right? And this is, as you can see, last 31 days, because eBay is giving you data on the new accounts for the last 30 days or 31 days. If the account is older than 60 days or 2 months, you will gonna have here the sold items last 60 days. So because my account is not 60 days old yet, it has been updated only 30 days. So which means listed 36 items. Those 36 items I have sold them multiple times. And you can see it's maybe for the brand new who is not very familiar with the eBay metrics here. It just says that I got 400 sales. As you can see, 400 sales out of those 36 items. How it's possible? It's just simply I sold them multiple times. Sometimes two items, one buyer is buying 2 items. Sometimes one buyer is buying 4 items of the same, and stuff like this. So I don't need to list hundreds and hundreds of items, or even worse, thousands of items, and to make sales, right? So this is kind of like, think what you I would recommend anybody and everybody to do this, because otherwise you are just spamming on eBay with all kind of crappy things that nobody needs, all those Chinese stuff that, well, basically everything is made in China almost, but you can still find some good things to sell made outside China. All right, so here listed 381, it doesn't mean that it's listed 381. It means I have been listing and relisted or increased the quantities. Okay, so this is not the how many listings I have. I have totally listed 36 listings active only. Okay, and the numbers here, yes, those are the not big crazy billion-dollar items, because I know how it works, and I listed the small items. I started with small items. It's the same what I teach in 799. I'm practicing here. Okay, small items, sell fast, get this increase as soon as possible. And let me show you. I'm going to switch the screens and show you something, what message I received from eBay today. To do that, I need to go to the messages here and click inbox. Okay, just bear with me. And here you can see you are an eBay top rated seller, hi, and blah blah blah. Okay, cool. This, what it means is I became top rated seller on this account in less than 60 days. I want to share those two things, what helped me to get to that point, to get 400 sales in the last 30 days. About the money, if you were wondering, let me go back. And here we are. For the money here, I used to, well, this is not the profit, of course, this is just the sales, but I keep the profit pretty high. I would say for the brand new account, it's someplace between 20 and 100 profit margin. Okay, 20 and 100 profit margin. For some items, I have more than 100. For some, I have someplace about 20. Okay, but only few items I keep about 20 for the reason I call that reason. And for those who are on 799, you know, I have this strategy which is called booster items. Okay, only for the booster items I keep the profit margin 20%. For the rest, for the normal, for the average items, I keep my profit margin on even on those small items, I keep the profit margin 100 or someplace around 100. 80% profit margin or 100 or sometimes 150% profit margin, stuff like this. Last month it was something the same, but I still have 5 days to go. I guess I will make, I think easy, I will gonna make in 5 days, I will make 100 more sales easily. So the profit will gonna be by the end of the month. We're gonna see, I can make another video by the end of the month on the last day. But my prediction is there will be someplace about 1500 the profit margin for this month. Okay. And the best thing will gonna be on the next month, because eBay gave me this top rated seller, so I can do the next month different strategy. Now let's go to the point, and sorry for introduction so long, but I want just to show you the background, and then when I share those two things, it will gonna make sense for you. Okay, so the number one thing what helped me to become top rated seller and to make those 400 sales in last 30 days is two things. Okay, the number one thing is I used to implement strategy I call 3 times 0. Okay, this is inside the 799, very brand new strategy. I teach that, and I tested this for a couple of months with inside my real account. This is my training account, and then we tested with my inner circle people. This 3 times 0 strategy, what it means? It means basically when you list the product, any product you list, first 3 times you sell that product just to break even. First 3 times you sell that product just to break even. After third time, after third sale, you start to increase the profit. Okay, I will not gonna go deeper in the details. There is a lot of details why exactly 3 times we need, at least 3 times we need, what type of products do we need to do those kind of things, and why it's not enough with the 2 sales, and why we need 3 sales. There is actually the science behind that, science in the terms of why eBay will react, or react, I think that would be the right word, towards your listing, towards your and make an increase on your account if you will keep selling 3 times 0, and then you start increase up to 100% of profit margin. So this is pretty interesting stuff we discovered. That was the one thing what helped me to make those crazy sales and to become top rated seller, and of course the profit itself. Okay, another thing is I call this a charity project. As you have heard, probably, maybe some of you are using already, maybe somebody is wondering what that is. Inside on eBay, there is a charity option. Let me just try to switch the screens now and go inside to show you what I mean by that. Just bear with me for a second. I will go inside my eBay. Okay, so now I'm inside my eBay here, and you can see here is the make donation. Okay, if you use this option, this will gonna help you to increase your sales visibility, and eBay will gonna love you more, and will gonna most likely increase your selling limits without asking. If that's the issue for a new, if you are the new seller, so that might be an issue for you, that you are limited with your listing limits. Okay, it's very just simply, it's you just click here, and then is all sorts of different percentage you can choose. I don't recommend to go lower than 10%. However, you can use that, but I always use 10%. And when I choose 10% here, and you can use, of course, all of those options if you want, but I found out there is a very small trick, and which well, it's just worked for me very well. I put here the company called Pets for Patriots. I would say American patriotism, and when I select this one, it automatically just generates all my 10% of the sales for the Pets of Patriots here. So, which means the donations, 10% of my sales goes to that organization. Well, this is again, there is a few details how to do this properly, and so I don't want to go into the details, but this is basically those two things. Okay, 3 times 0 and charity. This charity is not kind of like, I'm not losing money here, because what I'm doing is I'm raising the price a little bit higher. I mean, I'm implementing two strategies. I sell by break-even price. When I raise the price up, I add the charity there. I hope you understand me, okay? So it's kind of like double benefit. It's very important, very powerful technique. I'm just showing you two things probably you haven't been doing. There is more aspects to add. In my previous videos, I explained already which products to choose, and from what products to stay away. Okay, so many times we are choosing wrong products, absolutely wrong products for listing, and expecting our account will gonna make some miracles and grow miraculously. For those who haven't seen my previous videos, I encourage you to go back and see how I started this account. Very simple, proven way. It works always. And enjoy dropshipping. Take care. Bye bye.